me again, Managing Director of Bitget, Gracy Chen. I would like to highlight several main directions that we'll be seeing in the crypto and Web3 space in 2023 market. Here is my outlook. Number one, macro liquidity in the crypto market is expected to increase as a result of the Fed slowing down interest rate hikes in 2023. Number two, regulatory tightening will instill great trust in the crypto market and encourage sustainable growth. The regulatory frameworks make the industry accountable, instill trust with our customers, and will ultimately accelerate mainstream crypto adoption. Number three, there will be new opportunities for decentralized finance. Custody services, transparency, and top-shelf risk management policies will become the norm for centralized services. There will also be a shift to decentralized lending as a result of some insolvency in the centralized lending players last year. Number four, NFTs will become an integral part of the entertainment and GameFi market. Adoption of NFTs by major film studios and music labels will boost mainstream adoption. Expansion of the products and services in the metaverse will result in more regulation and management of the activities that take place in the space. It will also create a healthy ecosystem for more brands to participate by providing services to virtual users. Hopefully, my insights will inspire confidence in the industry, and the crypto industry is such an exciting space to be in, and I can't wait to see how it plays out.